Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Stella Jane. So today I'm coming in with this full glam. If it's something you want to watch, please do keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe. If you got a big time, you like the video, like, share your thoughts on the comment section. Let's go into this beat. So you know what time it is. We're starting on with peers. We have to moisturize. I was thinking I should do like I saw on Instagram, but no. So I spread this moisturizer all over my face. When I started doing makeup, like when I apply moisturizer, my face will get so oily. I'll be like, no, I have so much oily face, so there's no need for moisturizer. So I'm going in with the face primer. This is from Zaron. So I'll be like, no, my face is already oily. Why am I applying more oil? So, but now, guys, moisturizer is very important. Even though you have oily face, you have to apply moisturizer. Let it dry up first. It dries up first before you go in with the next product. So I've been seeing this on Insta, using setting powder after you prime. Since my oil control is finished, I thought I should use this method today. So I use my loose powder to set first before I mix these two foundation, the Flawless Ivy and the Zaron foundation. I've been getting so real dark these days. I don't know why. I even changed my bath wash. I was thinking it was, see, that's what mixing things in your bath or in your cream is very wrong. One of my senior auntie gave me cinnamon, so I mixed it in with my bathing soap. So I started getting real dark. I was like, this is not me. So, and I had to buy another one. I think I'm using that Flawless Ivy for contouring, like bronzing. I don't really contour much these days. I just bronze, add more warmth to my face. So I was like, it's not me. So I changed the bath wash, but I'm still having the same issue. So I don't know what. So for my concealer, I'm using the Flawless Ivy concealer. I'm blending out my forehead first. You guys will see why I did this today. When I apply, I use the other side that I use for foundation to blend it in, since we want that seamless flow. We don't want no marks. And I don't really apply so much concealer on my forehead, since my forehead is already too big. So there's no way of making it look big as well. A little for me goes a long way. Then I apply under my eyes, my chin. I like letting this one settle in first before I blend it out. So to get tacky, I'll have more coverage on the concealer. So I go in now with that same foundation I use for my contour. It's just one shade lighter. I'm not going too dark these days. I just go one shade darker for my contouring. So I use this angle brush to contour my nose. Guys, be careful with your how you do your nose. That's how you're going to look. So be very careful. So when I use this pink shade, I've not used it for blush first. I said, let me use it. Guys, do you know, I don't think that there is any color that doesn't fit dark skin or brown skin people. Every color you do, like, wow, it's really looking nice. So I now blend in my concealer. I take my time on this one. It had gotten tacky, so the coverage was more. Use my Damn Beauty sponge too. And guys, if you are blending out your concealer and your nose is giving an issue like mine is doing now, just drop the mirror and pull your nose to one end and blend it in. I did that off camera though, but I will still show you where I did it when I was applying my powder. So I had to blend out the other side. My left eye is always more difficult to blend out. Is it only me? Because I'm always feeling like I'm left-handed, so it's always more difficult to blend out more than the right side. I've been using this method. So today I was just trying out everything I've been seeing on Instagram. I'm seeing they say, oh, if you use your pressed powder to set in your concealer, it look like you have no pores. I say, let me try it today. There's no difference. I think loose powder is even better, because this one I didn't like. That's what I feel. I just had to pick and blend it out well. There's no difference. Is it just me? Share your thought, please, if you have used this method before. Do you prefer using loose powder or pressed powder to set in your concealer? So I now go in with a shade darker than my skin tone, set all my contour area, then use my skin tone to blend everything in. This one I applied all over my face since I want everything to marry in. I don't know what's wrong with this frog on this place. I don't know. Always disgracing me. So now onto my eyes. I brush out my non-existent brows, and when I'm doing my brows, I like to be light-handed when I'm starting. Since I've already applied everything, if I do any mistake, it's very difficult to correct. So I like being very light-handed. When I already outlined, then I'll go in again and deepen the lines. You know how we do it, filling the brows. If you want a more detailed brow look, I have that on my channel. Don't worry, I have everything you need. So you could go check it out. I'll put it in the description box. There you go, check it out. And I'm always saying, practice your brows when you are not going out. Just sit down. Sit down and practice. And guys, using your finger to set your concealer when you already clean your lower brows, it's a game changer. Try it and tell me how you feel. Or if you have tried, what do you think? So to set for my eyeshadow, I use that same concealer for my eyeshadow base, and a little goes a long way on this one. So I'm starting out with that brown shade. I'm using this brush. This brush was just too dense, so I had to change it because it wasn't blending out like I wanted. I had to change and bring more fluffier brush to blend everything. That brown shade first. Then everybody knows that I have a great respect for black shadow, but I had to try out this one in that Flawless City Girl palette. I think that one blends out more than the V-Beauty eyeshadow palette. So I'm very respectful of black eyeshadow, because like that V-Beauty one doesn't blend out real good. So I'm always very light-handed, and I build it up. I don't go in real too dark, so I put in a little bit, then I build it up if I want more. I go in this yellow shade, orange shade as my transition color. Guys, I spent a lot of time on this particular part. I spent a lot of time blending out because it wasn't actually blending in, so I had to go in and do it until I saw that it was actually blended before. So I'm using this. It's not actually white. I won't call it white. I won't call it pink. It has that undertone of pink, but it's not pink and it's not white. So I now use it as my main color, and I'm happy that I did because it actually came out real well. So I go in with that old brush to marry everything in. Really start to blend will be seamless. Go back again with the blending brush to blend out everything. I wanted like the edges to look real sharp, so I used my setting powder on a brush to do this line here. I didn't really want anything dramatic, so I wasn't going with that much. So classic large glue. I'm always telling you guys classic large glue, and I always forget to show. Since I really want to show inside, that's the classic large glue. Apply my lashes. Go in with this brown shade. The brown has a little bit of orange on the tone. I use this to smooth out my under eye area. Use this gel liner to line my waterline. I like using it because it doesn't irritate the eyes. There are some gel liners you use. Oh, the first gel liner I used, that thing almost blinded me. just hot. So this one actually doesn't irritate the eyes. It's very nice, like those I've forgotten what those Hausa people, there's this Hausa dish that they use that time. I've forgotten what it's called. Then I now use my pencil. This Davis pencil is multi-purpose. Use it to line my lips. Then I go in with this shade. See that eyeshadow lip palette. Use my finger to apply that one, guys. When you're after doing makeup, your hands will be dirty, believe you me. Set everything again. Go in with my setting spray. I love that clip. Go in with Kiss Beauty setting spray before I apply my powder blush. Blush is always the first thing to fade when in your makeup, so I'm always reinforcing it since I love blush. So guys, this is the final look. Hope you learned something from today's video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Share your thoughts in the comment section. Share the video to anybody that might help. Until the next video, bye.